Today we're previewing condo 1941 number 4. It is one of the lowest price 2-bedroom, 1-car garage condos in Falling Waters. One of the nice things about this particular condo is the fact it's so close to the clubhouse and the bocce ball course and tennis courts. We're going to be taking a walk over there. Most of the other 2-bedroom condos with the garage are in the back part of Falling Waters, mainly Magnolia Falls and also Amelia Lake, which requires the owners to either drive their car to the swimming pool each day or ride their bicycles. Another nice thing about this particular condo is the fact that it has so many parking spots in this area for people's families and friends to take advantage of it. So many condos in Falling Waters have limited amount of parking spots for people's families and friends when they come to visit. But building 1941 is part of 3 buildings that I really I like. One is 1908 and the other one right across from building 1941, which all 3 of those buildings, what's so nice about them is the fact they're so close to the pool. They're far away from Davis Boulevard, so you don't have to worry about traffic, and they give you such nice quick access to the pool and clubhouse when you want to walk over to it. I just crossed the street and now entering the parking lot of Falling Waters. I can hear some of the men playing bocce ball this morning. That's one of the nice activities. Just about every morning at 8 o'clock, a number of men get together and play bocce ball here in Falling Waters. Nice way to start the day. But here we're already here in Falling Waters. We're at the clubhouse, and now we're going to be walking back to the Cascade section of Falling Waters. We just viewed the outside of condo 1941 number 4, and now we're going to preview the inside of condo 1941 number 4, and this is the living room looking out over a lanai. It shows very nicely. Looks like the appliances have been upgraded along with the backsplash. One of the nice things, it has tile completely throughout the condo. This is the lanai with the summer kitchen. And one of the nice things about this particular night has the upgrade of glass sliding doors over the screened mesh. So in the cooler months, you can close the sliding glass doors and then open them up when the weather gets a little bit warmer. Also, it looks like it has uh, shades that can be pulled down for privacy. It looks like this might be a hide-a-bed. This might enable this particular area to be used as a third bedroom. If that is the case, I'm not quite sure. But the sliding glass doors are a nice upgrade to the condo, which gives it a lot more functionality. And it does look like it has some shades that can be pulled down over the sliding glass doors for privacy.